गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ़ यू बच्चों। आज हम क्लास सेवेंथ हनीकम का फोर्थ चैप्टर द एसिड दैट मेड ट्रीज ब्लूम का कल से आगे का भाग पढ़ेंगे। दिस इज़ एन आवर द ओल्ड कपल वर मेड रिच, द गुड souls bought a piece of land, made a feast for their friend, and gave plentifully to their poor neighbors. As for the dog, they petted him till they nearly smothered him with the kindness. Now, in the same village, there lived a wicked old man and his wife, not a bit sensitive and kind, who had always kicked and scolded all dogs wherever whenever and passed their house. Hearing of their neighbor's good luck, they coaxed the dog into their garden and set before him bits of fish and other dainties, hoping he would find treasure for them. But the dog, being afraid of the couple pair, would be neither eat nor move. Then they dragged him out of doors, taking a spade and hoe with them. No sooner had the dog got near a pine tree growing in the garden than he began to paw a scratch and the ground as if a mighty treasure lay beneath. Quickly, wife, hand me to the spade and hoe, cried the greedy old fool as he danced with the joy. Then the covetous old fellow with a spade and the old crone with a hoe began to dig, but there was nothing but a dead kitten, the smell of the smell of which made them drop their tools and shut their noses. Furious at the dog, the old man kicked and beat him to death, and the old woman finished the work by nearly chopping off his head with the sharp hoe. They flung they Then they flung him into the hole and heaped the earth over his carcass. इस प्रकार वृद्ध युगल धनवान हो गया। उन्होंने अपने मित्रों को दावत दी और अपने गरीब पड़ोसियों की सहायता की। उसी गांव में एक दुष्ट बूढ़ा आदमी और उसकी पत्नी रहते थे। वे उस कुत्ते को अपने बगीचे में ले आए। उन्होंने उसके सामने अच्छा भोजन रखा, पर कुत्ता डरा हुआ था। उसने न तो खाया और न ही वह हिला। वे कुत्ते को घसीट कर घर से बाहर ले गए। वे उसके साथ चलते रहे। जब वे एक ताड़ के पेड़ के पास पहुँचे, कुत्ता जमीन खुरचने लगा। दुष्ट युगल खुश हो गया। उन दोनों ने जमीन खोदी। उन्हें उन्हें मरी हुई बिल्ली का बच्चा मिला। दंपति को बड़ा गुस्सा आया। उन्होंने कुत्ते को मार दिया। फिर उन्होंने उसे अपने खोदे हुए गड्ढे में फेंक दिया। उसे मुर्दा जानवर के ऊपर उन्होंने मिट्टी डाल दी। The owner of the dog heard the death of his pet, and mewing for him as if he had been his own child, went at night under the pine tree. He set up some bamboo tubes in the ground, such as are used before tombs, in which he put fresh flowers. Then he laid a cup of water and a tray of food on the grave, and burned several costly sticks of incense. He murmured a great while over his pet, calling him many dear names as if he were alive. That night the spirit of the dog appeared to him in a dream and said, "Cut down the pine tree over my grave and make from it a mortar for your rice pasty and a meal for your bean sauce." So the old man chopped down the tree and cut out of the middle of the trunk a section about 2 feet long with great labor. partly by fire, partly by the chisel. He scraped he scraped out of a hollow place as big as a small bowl. He then made a long-handled hammer of wood, such as which he used for pounding rice. When New Year's time drew near, he wished to make some rice pasty. When the rice was all boiled, Granny put it into the mortar. The old man lifted his hammer to pound the mass into the dough, and the blows fell heavy and fast till the pasty was all ready for baking. Suddenly the whole mass turned into the heap of gold coins. When the old woman took the hand mill, and when the man took the hand mill and filling it with the beans began to the grind, the gold dropped like rain. Meanwhile, the envious neighbor peeped in at the window when the boiled beans were began ground. Good, goody me! Cried the old hag as she saw each dripping of sauce turning into the yellow gold, until in a few minutes the tub under the mill was full of a shining mass of gold. कुत्ते की मृत्यु की खबर उसके मालिक तक पहुंची। वह ऐसा दुखी हुआ मानो उसका बेटा बिछुड़ गया हो। वह उस स्थान पर गया जहाँ उन्होंने उस पालतू कुत्ते को दफनाया गया था। बड़ी देर तक वह विलाप करता रहा। उसने उसे बहुत से प्यारे प्यारे नामों से पुकारा मानो वह जीवित हो। उस रात उसने अपने कुत्ते को सपने में देखा। कुत्ते ने उससे कहा कि वह ताड़ को काट कर उससे एक ओखली बनाए। उसने उसे लकड़ी की एक चक्की बनाने को भी कहा। जैसा उससे कहा गया बूढ़े ने वैसा ही किया। बड़ी मेहनत से उसने लकड़ी का एक छोटा सा कटोरा बनाया। फिर उसने लंबे हैंडल वाला लकड़ी का एक मूसल बनाया। जब नया साल नज़दीक आया तब उसने कुछ चावल की पेस्टी बनाने का निश्चय किया। उन्होंने लकड़ी की ओखली में उबला हुआ चावल डाला। उसका गुथा हुआ आटा बनाने के लिए बूढ़े ने उसे मूसल से कूटा। जब पेस्टी पकने के लिए तैयार हो गई थी तब वह सोने के सिक्कों के ढेर में बदल गई। बूढ़ी औरत ने अपनी अपनी हाथ चक्की उठाई और उसे बीनकर सॉस डालकर इसे पीसना प्रारंभ किया। सोने की वर्षा होने लगी। इसी समय दयालु पड़ोसी ने खिड़की से झांका। उसने चक्की उधार मांगने का निश्चय किया।